the Cookin camper. Here is Zena the Glamper camper. Today we're at Lake Estes in Estes Park, Colorado. Now we are about to go kayaking in a little bit, but first we're gonna make a quick snack in the Cookin camper. We're gonna make some spiced cashews. Now this recipe is super easy and we're actually gonna make two different versions of it. So for each version, you just need a cup of cashews. Now I use an unsalted variety, and then we are just gonna put in 1 tablespoon of any kind of oil into each cup. Now I am using light tasting olive oil so that the oil will not give much flavor to the cashews. Now our first variety that we'll be mixing up is a garlic pepper. Now for the garlic pepper recipe, the spices are some garlic powder, some ground jalapeno pepper, some onion powder, and some black pepper. And then stir it around. Now this is going to be a spicy cashew. So now you're just gonna turn on your skillet, and I'm gonna put mine on about a high heat, and then you will just pop in your cashews. Now I did cook these on a high heat for about 2.5 minutes. Now these are the finished garlic pepper cashews. Now the second variety is a dill pickle cashew. So the spices that are in this one are a little bit of ground ginger, some dried dill, and some ground mustard seed. And now you are going to cook these the same way that we cooked the first variety. Now you do want to make sure that you are stirring these quite a bit so that they don't burn. Well, here are our finished cashews. We've got our dill pickle and our garlic pepper. Once these cool off a little bit more, we're going to go ahead and take them and go kayaking. Now, if you want to try out this recipe, we hope that you'd give us a like, comment, and subscribe. We hope that you can get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.